and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So for today, another sponsorship type of shout out from the company Jegs. If you don't know by now, probably too late. A shout out to the guy or whoever got the gift card that I put on Instagram on my story. 10 free bucks for you. So I was hit up through another email from a lady that wanted me to do a little shout out for the company and gave me some money. So the total amount that I received was 50 bucks. Nothing crazy. Could have used it towards a discount, but I said screw it and just used it for a few little things. So what I ended up getting was some new turn signals for the lowers, which came with some screws. It's pretty tight. And then I got some hand wipes that are good for taking oil and gunk off your hands. So that's pretty tight. And then the last thing was an OEM grill without the H emblem, but it's discontinued. So I got cash back on that and said screw it. So that's what the discount or the free card was for on Instagram for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy that. If you're not following the Instagram, you better jump on that because you might get some goodies like that. So new turn signals and some hand wipes. Do have the turn signals on me and the wipes are at the house, but oh yeah, and I got some sick ass fucking decals I got from Savage Click. I'll shoot some video, show you guys what that looks like. If you've been on my Instagram, you've seen what that was. But these turn signals are fucking clean. Well, this is gonna be a simple video. I'm gonna pop these on and then we'll give you a little before and after. My current turn signals are pretty nasty. They got a lot of rock chips, some cracks. They're foggy. One reason why I never bought these before is because they're too clean and they would stand out too much. But since I got this, I said screw it. I'm gonna put these on. So here we go. All right, let's pop these in. There's a before. And you got these clean bad boys. Oh, and you got the screws right there. Pretty tight. So that's that. And here's the sick ass decals I got. We got the Savage. We got the gang shit. We got the air freshener. He threw these in as extras. It's pretty tight. And then we got the Click. That one's sick. And this one, this is a free decal that came with the Dark Garage t-shirt that I purchased. It's pretty tight. Free decal with the purchase of a t-shirt. And hit up this guy, Savage Click. Dope ass products, even has t-shirts with this design on it. It's pretty tight. Let's pop these in. There's so much junk in the trunk. Shine Armor, hit them up. Now I gotta find a screwdriver. Definitely is in the show car. She clean. Was kind of a bitch. I dropped one screw. I was able to use my old screw to use on the new ones, but I had to take the clip out that came with the new turn signals so that the bigger screw would fit in there. But that shit looks good, looking clean. My fog lines look pretty nasty now though. Check this shit out. Let's go hit the blinkers and see how bright these guys are. I'm gonna throw those decals on next. Nice view over here. Oh yeah, that shit's bright. Now this is going on the back for sure. This gang shit, this Canon gang shit, I think is gonna go right up front. It would look tight if that banner was there and throw it up top, or possibly throw it up top on the back. Fuck, I might throw it up the back. All right, I'm gonna slap these on. Dude, I've had these made. I had them for like 5 years. Just peeled it off and it's fucking nice. It's still sticky. Some dirt got on the inside, so I'm gonna toss it away and replace it with this guy. If anybody local wants to pick this up, or if you find it, take a picture and tag me. It's going right there. Crisp. I should have showed you, but this material they're using is like a tarp. It's got some lines in it. It's pretty tight. Seems like it's gonna last a long time. Oh, that smells fucking good. Here's the last piece. Wanted to say again real quick, I'm driving back home right now and that air freshener smells fucking good. It's a perfume. So I shot one of the Accord videos, like the photo on it. Goddamn, it smells good. You guys need to cop one of those and smell that. That is fucking
Let's
nice.
say like a block down this road is where I shot the Wayne Center Cats.
It's back there swinging. I like to shoot close. So I want to give a big shout out to Jegs and the website. They have almost everything you've ever wanted. Social media lady that hit me up, motors, and gave me the chance. Little things like chairs, mess around with their products. I saw a chair that you can use that holds like 6 to 7 people. It's like a couch, foldable chair. That's pretty tight. I was going through and I saw a bunch of stuff for motors. So they got like complete rebuilt F22 motors if you want to, you know, keep your single cam but have it healthy. They got rebuilt heads. It's pretty tight. Anything drag racing purpose, they got that stuff. They got race ramps. They got these ramps that you can set your car up on for your tires, and you can just use that for a car show. And then I seen some stuff where they have air jacks for your car. Slap those bad boys under your car and you got yourself a personal lift. So go ahead and check out jegs.com. They got almost everything you've ever wanted. Tools and hand wipes, all that nonsense. Scroll through the website, check what they have, and mention my name. Tell them I sent you. That nonsense. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the past videos. Tomorrow is Stance Wars and Week Fest. I am thinking about going to shoot it. I don't know, maybe go just to be a spectator. I've never been a spectator in a long ass time. I always get an urge to just start recording shit. So I bring my camera with me, throw it in the back of the car. Stance Wars, Week Vest, Secure Weekly, shit for that. Yeah, so yeah, Crispy's shooting a video for that. So that kind of pushes me away from shooting a video because it's kind of like he's gonna get even in and out or whatever. All right, subscribe. Thank you all the new guys that